G'day, welcome to the Zinsser Bunch. My name is Bert from Excellent Coatings, and if you unfortunately have food stain on your wall, then no probs. We can help you fix that with Zinsser B.I.N Primer Sealer Stain Blocker. Now the reason we've chosen Zinsser B.I.N for this problem is it has excellent stain hiding abilities. It'll mask all your odors. It dries in 45 minutes and it'll work with all top coat paints. So it'll be great for any project you have. Now unfortunately food stains can happen from almost anything. Toddlers, grown-ups, dogs, aliens, whatever. Nobody likes to deal with food stains on a beautifully painted surface. It's greasy and messy, but with Zinsser B.I.N, no problems, we got you sorted. We'll cover that in no time. Make sure you follow the safety instructions on the back of the tin. Follow all PPE procedures. You've got to keep yourself safe when you're painting. Step one is to clean the area as best as you can. Wipe off all the loose food. Dry it off with a dry rag. The area good sand with some sandpaper. And dust it down. That'll remove all surface dirt and debris, and we can get some paint on it. Make sure you give the paint a really good stir before using it. Get a nice even coat on the affected area. Making sure you've coated every part of the stain. Hot tip, when you're done with the painting, make sure you wash your brush with methylated spirits, as this is a spirit-based paint. That's what makes it so good. Now here we are after 45 minutes, the surface is nice and dry, ready to get the top coat on. Here we are with the finished result. We've got 2 top coats on and there's absolutely no sign of any of the food stain or discoloring. The Zinsser B.I.N has done a great job of hiding that stain. With Zinsser, no problems.